original steel tongue drum, and it got injured. So it has a couple of flat keys that I can't seem to fix. So for a birthday present, I bought myself a new one. Same one, but I got a different color so that I could tell the difference, because this drum itself isn't completely wasted, but I can't, it just plays differently now. So here we go. Oh, there's all sorts of stuff in here. This down. That strap, probably the mallets and whatnot in there. It's a little bit different bag than the other one I had. It's very similar, but a little bit different. It feels different. Oh. So if this is brownie, this is Goldie. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh, wow. It even has a different texture. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yes, let's see if I can play my songs. Oh, that's what it's supposed to sound like. Oh yeah. Okay. It's been a minute.